My name is Stephen Wood. I'm the repetiteur from Rehearsal. So I'm in the rehearsal room every rehearsal for the 4 weeks in the studio and in the pit, playing for the conductor, Graham Jenkins. I also have done some coaching for this production as well. Donizetti, he manages to write very heart-wrenching, very genuine music, with sprinkled with the bittersweet. I personally love the slower, more beautiful melodies, and in Maria Stuarda, for example, there are plenty of them. Although it can seem very simple music, there's a lot to it. Always under the surface there's irony or tensions or subtext. And it's very rewarding to play. On the flip of the coin, there's the sort of faster, more sort of forward-driven, dramatic moments, which again are exciting because Donizetti is the king of writing upbeat, exuberant, ecstatic music. It's fun, it's bubbly, and it's really edge of your seat stuff.